Imagine waking up every morning feeling sluggish, swamped by brain fog and trapped in a cycle of unexplained symptoms. Then you start a simple daily ritual, not a pill, not a fancy detox, just a glass of fresh celery juice. Within weeks, your gut calms, your energy surges, and your doctor's puzzled frown turns into a smile. What's the secret behind this humble green juice that's quietly sparking a global healing revolution? We're about to uncover how celery juice rewrites the rules of health. Digestive struggles can feel like a never-ending battle. Anthony William reveals how celery juice acts like a natural reset, soothing the gut when all else fails. Lisa, a New Yorker plagued by IBS and relentless bloating, found herself bedridden most days. She started drinking 16 ounces of fresh celery juice every morning. Within a month, her gut pains settled, and she moved from fearing meals to relishing them again. Her story rippled through online groups, inspiring thousands facing similar gut chaos. Think of celery juice as a broom sweeping the dust off your liver floor. It flushes out hidden toxins and inflammation-triggering residues, allowing your digestive system to reboot. This isn't just juice, it's a natural detox agent that targets the root, not just the symptoms. The payoff? Your digestive system becomes a calm, efficient engine rather than a fiery battlefield. People like Lisa report reduced reflux, less constipation, and astonishingly clearer skin, all linked to a gut finally free from toxic overload. It's healing you didn't expect from a green drink. Blood sugar spikes sneakily drain your energy and harm your body over time. Anthony William unveils how celery juice stabilizes blood sugar and recharges your adrenal glands. Mark from Ohio battled type 2 diabetes for years, juggling meds and cravings. When he added daily celery juice, his blood sugars began to stabilize surprisingly fast. Within months, Mark lowered his meds and reported feeling more energized than ever, a real testament to celery's power beyond just juice cleanses. Imagine your blood sugar like a swinging pendulum, up then crashing down. Celery juice acts like a steadying hand, flooding your bloodstream with alkaline minerals and natural compounds that tame these wild swings. The result? Your body stays balanced, your energy doesn't tank mid-afternoon, and that jittery sugar craving fades away. Mark's transformation wasn't just about numbers, it was about reclaiming life. Stable blood sugar means clearer thinking, fewer mood crashes, better sleep, and sustained energy. The subtle shifts bring a surprising ripple effect that transforms your whole day into an energized journey. When chronic mystery illnesses baffle doctors, celery juice steps into the spotlight as a detox hero and inflammation fighter that breaks through stubborn barriers. Katie, a Lyme disease patient from Oregon, endured years of fatigue, joint pain, and doctor visits without answers. After a friend suggested celery juice, she started drinking it daily. Months later, Katie's inflammation dropped, her energy rebounded, and she slowly regained control over her life. Her story spread, shining hope for those caught in chronic illness limbo. Celery juice works like a master cleaner inside your body, scrubbing away heavy metals, pesticides, and viral residues lodged deep in your liver and brain. Picture a swamp slowly clearing as celery juice flushes toxins into your system to be expelled, reducing inflammation and clearing the fog that dims your mind. The payoff? You get a new lease on life. People stuck in seemingly hopeless chronic states report awakening energy, clearer thinking, and symptoms fading. It's a radical detox, not just superficial relief, and it might be the simplest untapped solution for complex conditions. Remember Lisa from New York? She started with nothing but a glass of celery juice and ended up reclaiming her life from IBS. That quiet moment of decision holds a secret. Healing doesn't need to be complicated. So tonight, grab some celery, juice it fresh, and drink it on an empty stomach tomorrow morning. Give your body a natural reset, because this green juice is not just a drink, it's a doorway. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.